Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Lenovo Ideapad Gaming don't respond when you press them, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to dust, debris, or wear and tear affecting the keyboard's functionality. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage or even hinder your productivity, making it essential to address the problem as soon as possible. To get started with the keyboard replacement, you'll need a few basic tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement keyboard specifically for the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming model. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing. After removing the back panel, locate the keyboard connector, which is usually found near the top edge of the device. Gently disconnect the cable by sliding it out of its socket. Be cautious not to pull on any other cables nearby. Now, you should see the keyboard itself. It's secured by a few screws, which you will need to remove using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to note where each screw came from to make reassembly easier. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the keyboard away from the device. If it feels stuck, gently run the spudger along the edges to loosen it. Now it's time to install the new keyboard. Align it in place and press down gently until it clicks into position. Reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it back into the socket. Ensure it's secure and not loose. After that, replace the screws that secure the keyboard. It's important to apply a moderate amount of pressure when tightening the screws, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the device. Once the new keyboard is firmly in place, replace the back panel and carefully press it down until it clicks. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure it. At this point, power on your device to test the new keyboard. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your keyboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To avoid similar issues in the future, consider regularly cleaning your keyboard to prevent dust and debris from accumulating. Additionally, using a keyboard cover can provide an extra layer of protection against spills and dirt. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.